So next we'll install our tuners. So the tuners are fairly simple as well. The tuner itself goes from the back of the headstock, the washer sits over the top, and we've got a bushing that we tighten that secures the washer in place. Now because this is a 3-a-side headstock, we need to separate our tuners into left and right. And then once we've got those in place, we can simply go about hand tightening them. So the screw attachment is what keeps the tuner secured to the back of the headstock. So just make sure that's pointing down. You may also need to clear out your tuning peg holes, especially if you've got some finish that's ended up down there. I'm just thumb tightening these for now. Okay, so once you've installed or hand tightened the tuners in place, flip the guitar over, and one of the easiest ways to align your tuners is just to align them relative to each other. So I'm just using a steel rule here, just aligning the edges up nicely. Once that's in place, I'm just going to mark the location of those holes. And we just screw the tuners in place like so.